Good morning. Today we will discuss one topic that is how to locate irrational numbers on number line. So already you know about number line. This is a number line. So on number line, what you have to do is you will get some gradings, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, like this gradings will be there. Okay, these are just markings are there here. It is one number line, and left side also -1, -2, -3 will be there. So on this number line, how we have to locate irrational numbers like √2, √3, √5, √6, √7, √10. These all are irrational numbers. How we should locate these irrational numbers on number line? It is our topic. So first, how we have to do it? We'll see it. Take scale and pencil, draw one line. Okay. Now what you have to do is take compass. So your wish means you can take 2 centimeters or 1.5 centimeters or 3 centimeters. However, take 2 centimeters as radius. Okay. And equal distances. Equal distance means here if it is -1 to 0, how much distance is there? 0 to 1 also should be of same distance. To get same distance, what you have to do? Mark one point. By using compass, draw one arc. Again another arc, another arc, like this. Keep arcs either side of 0. So left side and right side. So if you keep like this, what you will get it is, you will get equal gradings. Being it is a number line, you can extend on both sides. Like this you will get it. Afterwards, what you have to do? So I took 1.5 or 2 or 3 centimeters as 1 centimeter. Means 0 to 1, not exactly 1 centimeter, how it is there in the scale. You can take here to here 1.5 centimeters also, but I am taking here to here as 1 unit. Here to here, how much distance is there? Here to here also is having same distance. Like this you should take. And now what you have to do is, you have to take a protractor. You know about protractor or not? So here, this protractor, middle one should be there at 1. Okay. And exactly 90 degrees where it is there, just keep a dot here like this. By using protractor at 1, means through 1 you have to draw one perpendicular. To draw perpendicular, what you have to do? Take protractor. Protractor's middle point should coincide at point 1, and 90 degrees where it is there, keep dot. After keeping dot, what you have to do is remove the protractor. Remove the protractor. Then you will get one point over here or not. So it is 1, this point and this point. By using scale, what you have to do? Join it. By using scale, join it. Then what you got here? It is a perpendicular, you got it. Now I took compass, and 0 to 1, how much distance is there? 1 to same distance, you can keep one arc or not, like this. So this point, name it as A. And by taking scale, what you have to do? Join A and 0. A and 0. Join it. So here, what you got is, here to here, how much distance is there? Here to here also you have same distance. This if you are assuming as 1, it is also 1 only. Now points. Points what you are keeping is here it is, let it be O, and this point is A. So this point is B. What is OAB? OAB is a right angle triangle. So if OAB is a right angle triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem for this or not? So Pythagoras theorem is saying that square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So OA square is equals to, you can write OB square plus OA square. Now OA square keep like that only. OB square. OB square means OB into OB. OB means distance from O to B. How much it is? 1 unit. So 1 square. O to OA square. It's not OA, OB. OB square plus BA square. Okay. So B to A distance is how much? 1. 1 square. 1 square is 1. Again 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. OA square is 2. Take square root on both sides. Square square cancelled. You got OA as how much? Root 2. Means here you have to write root 2. O to A distance is root 2. After getting like this, what you have to do is, again compass is there with you or not. So metal needle pointer keep at O and stretch this pencil up to A. So take radius OA and with the same radius you should draw dotted arc. Dotted arc like this. See, O to A distance you have to take it, and with the same distance keep it O as center, draw an arc, that is dotted arc, dotted line, dotted arc, like the dotted arc draw it. Then this dotted arc will meet the number line at one point or not. So OAB, this point is C. So what is OC? O to C distance is root 2. O to C distance is root 2. Okay. Now you represented OC means root 2 on number line. At C place you have to keep what? Root 2. At C place you have to keep root 2. Now what you have to do is, again see, you have to construct root 3 on number line. Root 3 should come on number line. For that what you have to do is, for OA you should draw a perpendicular. For OA at point A you should draw a perpendicular. At A how you have to draw perpendicular is your doubt. Okay. At A how you have to draw a perpendicular is doubt. Again what you have to do? Same method. Take protractor, and protractor if you see like this it will be. Okay. Middle point will be there here. So this middle point should coincide to A, and two lines will be there. This side one line, this side one line. This side line should coincide, or this line should be there on OA. This line should be there on OA. Then protractor will be like this. So this line is coinciding OA, and exactly 90 degrees will be there like this. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to keep a point here and remove the protractor. You removed it. Now if you join, you will get a line like this or not? You will get a line like this. So then what you have to do is, A to B is 1 unit, O to B is also 1 unit. How much distance is there? Same. 1 unit you have to draw an arc. One arc you have to draw. O, A, B, C is completed. So this point becomes what? D. A to D distance is what? 1. O to A distance is what? Root 2. So join D and O. Join D and O. What is OAD? OAD is a right angle triangle. How can you say means just now I said that you have to draw AD which is perpendicular to OA. Means at angle A 90 degrees is there. So OAD becomes what? Right angle triangle. Can you apply Pythagoras theorem for this or not? You can apply it. That is OD square is equal to OA square plus AD square. Very good. OA square. OA is root 2. OA square means root 2 square. What is AD? 1. 1 square. Square square cancelled. 2 plus 1. 3. OD square how much you got? 3. Take square root on both sides. Square square cancelled. OD is equal to how much? Root 3. O2D distance how much you got here now? Root 3 you got it. Now same what you have to do? Take compass. Metal pointer should be coincide with O and pencil lid should coincide with D. Take OD as radius and draw dotted line towards the number line. Towards the number line. Then what you got is this point means the dotted arc meets the number line at one point. That point is nothing but root 3. That point is root 3. So again what you have to do? For this OD, draw perpendicular. For this OD, draw perpendicular. Okay. Then what you have to do is join this one. Again, this is root 3, this is 1. This becomes root 4. Again, dotted line. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So, like this, root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, you can represent on number line. Okay. So, remaining we'll see in the next class.